Homemade sausage and cheese hot pockets that are high protein, and when I tell y'all that these are a certified banger, I'm not kidding.
That's the one.
So let me show you how to make them. We're going to start off with our high protein eggs. This recipe is on my profile. It is eggs and cottage cheese, but the key here is to blend it down. That's going to give you the best texture, especially if you have an issue with the curds and cottage cheese. It gets really smooth and light and airy, and so you don't have stodgy eggs. This is the texture you're going for. So now we're going to move over to the stove. We're taking some ground turkey sausage and we're going to season it up like breakfast sausage. I like Southern style breakfast sausage, so mine is very sagey. I have the ingredients included, but you can season it the way that you like. I like to flatten it out and then get it brown and crispy on one side, and then I break it down. Now I'm going to add in my shallots and toss that around, and when it's ready to go, I'll go ahead and add in my eggs. And so I'm going to pour them right in, right on top. And I'm also going to add in a little bit of low-fat cheese. I'm going with Munster here. And I'm going to gently move these around and they will start to set and cook. And then here is what you get, these fluffy eggs that are super flavorful. This whole thing is delicious. I'm going to put it in a bowl and let it cool because we're putting this into a dough and we don't want it to melt through. It was still a little bit warm, so I had some cuts in mine. Close it off and press it with a fork. You can also egg wash here, which is what I meant to do. I lost my footage in between where I froze these individually before putting them in the bag so that they don't stick together. When you're ready to cook them, if you didn't egg wash, you just go ahead and egg wash. You can put them in the oven or the air fryer. And when they come out, they are crispy and brown, delicious, cheesy, and full of so much flavor. I'm telling you, you need to try these right away. Look at me. If you want to react to your breakfast like this, then head over to LizzieAngel.com and grab the recipe. Bye.